am Fumiko. I'm originally from Tokyo, Japan. I live Park Slope, Brooklyn. And I used to own Japanese restaurant called Sakura Café. This is my restaurant's original menu, which is Japanese home cooking. So easy to make and very healthy and very tasty. Today we are making grilled salmon with miso sauce. Let's cut the salmon. Get this, just the salmon fillet with the skin. Any kind of salmon skin. Okay. 3 small portions. Sea salt. Both sides. Now I salted salmon here, and now we are making miso sauce. Similar to regular miso. One, two, three. Mirin, which is a sweet sake for cooking. If you don't have a mirin, you can use honey or maple syrup. 1.5 tablespoon. Sugar, 1/2 tablespoon. Cooking sake, 1 tablespoon. This is a tamari soy sauce, but you don't have to be tamari, any kind of soy sauce. Teaspoon. That's it. Just mix well. Now we will marinate the salmon with miso sauce. Like that. And the skin too. Then leave in the fridge for 3 hours at least. Turn oven to broiler and put the parchment paper or aluminum foil. And place this marinated, miso marinated salmon here. Going to oven. Let's do that 6 minutes. This time to like that. Let's flip over. Back to oven for another 3 minutes. The salmon looks like ready. marinade grilled salmon is ready. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.